Namaskar, welcome to IMD Daily Weather Program. Today is 11th May. ABC highlights. So, isolated heavy rainfall likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, South India, Karnataka on 15th and 16th, over Kerala and Mahe during 14th to 17th of May. Isolated thunderstorm with lightning, gusty winds, speed reaching 40 to 60 kmph, likely over northwest India during 11th to 15th. Isolated hailstorm activity also likely over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh on 11th and 12th, over Uttarakhand on 12th and 13th. Heat wave conditions likely to prevail in isolated locations of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and West Madhya Pradesh during next 4-5 days. Yesterday, heavy to very heavy rainfall reported over Odisha and heavy rainfall over Assam at one or two stations. Thunderstorm activity yesterday reported over parts of northwest, east, and northeast India, also over parts of southwestern India. And the hailstorm reported yesterday over Jharkhand, and heat wave to severe wave conditions over Jammu Kashmir, and heat wave conditions over West Rajasthan. Barb night to severe barb night conditions prevailed at isolated locations of Rajasthan. Synoptic conditions: there is a low pressure area over southwest Bay Bengal off North Sri Lanka coast, and it is likely to become more marked during the next 48 hours. Trough in easterlies runs from center of low pressure area over the region of southwest Bengal of North Sri Lanka coast to South Lakshadweep area in lower and middle levels. Upper air cyclone circulation over southeast Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep adjoining Kerala coast, and the trough runs from this to interior Maharashtra. And there is circulation over southwest Madhya Pradesh and trough from this circulation to sub-Himalayan West Bengal. Trough runs over northeast India, circulation over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and South Assam. There is a western disturbance over North Pakistan in lower levels. And if we see the forecast of maximum temperature, so gradual rise in maximum temperature likely by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over northwest India today and tomorrow, and thereafter gradual rise by 4 to 5 degrees Celsius during 13th to 17th. Gradual rise in maximum temperature likely by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over central India during 11th to 15th, and thereafter no significant change is likely on 16th and 17th. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over East India till 12th, and gradual rise is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during 13th to 17th. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over Gujarat during 11th to 14th, that is in the next 4 days. Thereafter, fall is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during 15th to 17th. Gradual rise is in maximum temperature likely by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over Maharashtra, especially interior Maharashtra during 11th to 15th, and thereafter no significant change. And if we see the weather warning for today, so orange color with the possibility of 50 to 60 kmph squally winds with possibility of hailstorm likely over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh today. Otherwise, thunderstorm activity likely over some parts of northwest India, especially Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Rajasthan. Dust storm also likely over Rajasthan, and heat wave conditions over parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat today. Hot and humid weather conditions over coastal Maharashtra, and thunderstorm activity also likely over east, northeast, and parts of southwestern India. And if we see the weather warning for tomorrow, that is belt for 12th, orange color for squally winds and hailstorm over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and thunderstorm activity also likely over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and dust storm over East Rajasthan, and heat wave conditions over Rajasthan, Gujarat, West Madhya Pradesh, and interior Maharashtra. And also thunderstorm activity likely over especially Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, with possibility of heavy rainfall over Somaliland, West Bengal, and northeast India, especially Assam and Meghalaya. Thunderstorm also likely over Andaman Nicobar Islands, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. On 13th, heat wave conditions continue over Rajasthan, Gujarat, West Madhya Pradesh, and interior Maharashtra, and thunderstorm activity especially over Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, East and Northeast India, and also Andaman Nicobar and Kerala, and heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh, Somaliland, West Bengal, with possibility of very heavy rainfall over Meghalaya. On 14th, thunderstorm activity east and northeast in parts of southwestern India, also over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. Heat wave conditions over western parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, West Madhya Pradesh, and Vidarbha, and thunderstorm activity over east, northeast, and parts of southwestern India. Heavy rainfall over Andaman Nicobar Islands, northeast, adjoining Assam and West Bengal, and Kerala. Possibility of very heavy rainfall over Meghalaya. Similar conditions of heavy rainfall over northeast, Andaman, and southwestern India, especially southern Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Thunderstorm activity over east India, and heat wave conditions on western parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, western parts of Rajasthan, and also thunderstorm activity likely over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana on 15th. On 16th, heat wave conditions over West Rajasthan, heavy rainfall over northeast India, Andaman Nicobar, and southwestern India, especially southern Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. And on 17th, heat wave conditions over West Rajasthan, heavy rainfall over northeast India, and also over Kerala. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.